Hi, I'm Daniel and this is Ashville. Today we're going to do a showcase of the Ashville Development 186 Fernhead Road. So this is a single dwelling that we've converted into 3 separate units. What we've tried to do is keep the existing character of the property, yet modernise at the same time. So we've decided to keep it very simple in the front garden because it is a shared dwelling. Had this been a single dwelling and one person living here, we feel they would have taken a bit more time and care with the front garden area. But with 3 separate people or families living here, we feel this is the best option. We've gone for these plain grey slate tiles, and on the walls we've rendered and painted white. First thing you'll see on entry to this property is this video entry system. Now, on a lot of new developments, people have gone for voice only. However, we've gone for video because we want to give potential buyers an increased sense of security about who they're actually letting in. The legal occupier, well, that's no one. The homeowner, well, we haven't sold them yet, so that's no one. The occupier, currently that's me. Bills, bills, bills. Why doesn't anybody ever send me any money in the post? It's always bills. We've kept it uniform in the communal areas. We've gone for a very thick woven carpet because we think there'll be a lot of traffic, and we've gone for this great doormat at the front so everybody can wipe their feet and not track any dirt up the stairs. To keep it simple, in this communal cupboard, as soon as you walk in, we have the electric, satellite TV and telephone, incoming and distribution. Now let's take a look in flat 1. So we've gone for an open plan living and kitchen area with as much natural light as possible. Everything from here onwards was an extension. These skylights are a great feature. They let loads of natural light into the area and make the space feel a lot bigger. We've created a small courtyard area just behind the kitchen. This is fantastic for people with pets, people who smoke, or people who want to store their bikes. Now, my favorite in any living area are bifold doors, which create one open space between living areas and outdoor areas. Nice. With this garden area, we've also tried to keep maintenance to a minimum. So we have hardwood decking in, and we have a small greenery area here. Just enough to give you a feeling that you've got a garden, but not give you too much work on the weekends. So we've tried to predict where people may have their furniture in an attempt to make moving in here as simple as possible. So on this wall, we have power points which are spread out so a sofa can fit nicely. And on this wall, we have all our satellite, BT and more power points so your TV would fit nicely there. For comfort, the entire area has underfloor heating and is controlled by this digital thermostat. We have a fully fitted kitchen with Siemens appliances and a lovely granite worktop. Now, we've had the granite worktop overhang slightly here so people can pull up a stool and be served breakfast. Trying to think in a modern way and predict what potential buyers may want, we fitted this power point underneath the kitchen worktop area with USB points so you can charge your phone or any other of your electrical items. When you walk into a room, it's always the small details. You think to yourself, this is a nice room, but you don't know why. It's things like this. If you have a look here, we've used the same granite worktop for the windowsills. We've done this on both sides, and we have a lovely splashback as well. With all the sockets and switches, we've gone for this brushed chrome finish, which I think is really nice. And all lighting in all apartments is dimmable. Before we move on, I'd like to show you the flooring. Now, we've gone for an engineered wood flooring in the living areas and the hallways. We haven't gone for any thresholds. We've continued running the flooring in as many long lines as possible. So this is the master bedroom. Like all the other areas in the property, we've tried to assume where people may have their furniture, and we've tried to make it as simple as possible to move in. So on this wall, we have power points and light switches on either side of where a bed may go. And on the wall over here, we have our BT data and more power points for a TV. We have fully fitted bespoke mirrored wardrobes as well. We've gone for mirrors to make the space feel a lot bigger. We have really high ceilings in this area, which make the room feel a lot bigger. Now, I'm 6'5" and I am nowhere near the ceiling in here. Behind this door, we have a lovely ensuite. Just across from the master bedroom is bedroom 2. Again, really high ceilings in here. Power points and everything in place, that all you need is a bed and a TV on the wall. And what's lovely about bedroom 2 is this large window we have, which actually backs onto the courtyard I showed you earlier. So out of bedroom 2, quick trip down the hallway into the bathroom. So we've gone with the same bathroom blueprint throughout in every unit. Once we had done one bathroom, the feedback was so good that we decided to replicate. We've gone for the matte black finish, all the taps, all the mixers, and all the shower heads. We feel this works really well with the Carrara marble tile. That's it for flat 1. We're going to take a walk up the stairs to flat 2. I know there's nobody in, but I'll do it anyway. Very high ceilings. Again, the kitchen has been replicated from the flat below. It's just a different layout. The bay window area is great. And I'd like to say that all the windows in this development are acoustic. This is to manage the noise from the busy street outside. Right next to the living and kitchen is bedroom 2. Right next to the living and kitchen is bedroom 2. In this room, we keep it very simple. Nice high ceilings, everything in place to move straight in, and a large window bringing in lots of natural light. Out of bedroom 2, down the hallway. We try to make use of every bit of square foot in an apartment, and here is no exception. We have a flush fit mirrored door, which houses a cupboard, which has our water cylinder, and our fuse board. Great use of space. Also in this area, we have somewhere where you can sit down and put your shoes on, which is also great for storage. Now into the main bathroom. Again, we've replicated the feel that we have in all the other bathrooms, it's just laid out slightly different. So out of the main bathroom and into the master bedroom. Again, in this area, fully fitted wardrobes, ensuite bathroom, and a lovely area outside that is not a terrace. So we're done in flat 2, let's have a look at flat 3. Woo! Lots of natural light, everything in place, all you need is a sofa and a TV, Siemens appliances, fully fitted kitchen, ready to go. Now flat 3 is the biggest of the units, it's a 3-bedroom, so I'm going to take you around and show you all the cool features. Now this is the biggest bathroom in the entire development. We have a separate bath and a separate shower. Out of the main bathroom and into bedroom 3. Kept it very simple in here, everything ready just for you to move in, lovely natural light from the window, and a bespoke mirrored wardrobe. I love bespoke wardrobes. Bedroom 2, just replicating what works. Flat 3 doesn't have any outside space, so we had to try and think of something to make this apartment a little bit special. So we've done a loft. This is the master bedroom. And over here, we have a walk-in wardrobe. Now this is a great use of space. In this area, we have a sloped roof, and you would generally think that the space would be wasted. No, we've used every inch. The first thing you can see is this bespoke walnut unit, which is a bit of a change from the rest of the units, which have white units with mirrored doors. Also, in the eaves, we have storage for all your larger items like suitcases, etc. Also, like in flat 2, we have this seating area, which actually opens as additional storage. The space is ready to move in. Your bed goes here and your TV goes here, but this is fantastic. None of the other apartments have this. French doors with a transparent Juliet balcony. And finally, the ensuite. Now this ensuite again is very special. We have the French doors opening onto the transparent Juliet balcony. So that's it, you've seen it all. Thanks for watching the showcase of the in-house Ashville Fernhead Road development. Leave your comments below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Click here for the Ashville website. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here to learn a little bit more about my history in this area, and click here for another video. Done. That video's wrapped.